Hi, honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Welcome to Makeup Monday. So, I'm going to set my timer for 10 minutes. And we're going to see if I can do my face in 10 minutes or less. So here's the timer. Let's see. Let me hurry up now. What? Oh, I'm using this Too Faced Born This Way foundation in Butter Pecan. I'm going to use a dry beauty blender. Hurrying up. I didn't use any primer. I don't see where it does me any good, so I don't use it. It probably does do people some good, but I don't see what it does, so I say why use it. Get up under here. Get these raccoons up under here. I have to get the whole eye socket because my eyes are very, very dark. Get them corners. So I put on the important stuff first. So I have to cover up all this. I have to even out my skin tone. That's basically why I'm wearing foundation. Because I got a lot going on. Okay. Okay. Okay, that's as good as she gets. I'm gonna put some color on my face. I need some lipstick, lip gloss, chapstick, lip balm. Then I put on my lipstick. I'm gonna use this. I haven't used this in a while. I like red. What else? Do something with these eyes, eyebrows. Okay. Where this stuff at? Oh, here it is. I'm taking time doing this. Oh, where's the brush? Okay, I'm using this here. The Music Flower Fascinated Eyebrow and Eyeliner Cream. It looks like that. I got it from Amazon. So I'm gonna do it has brow powder on the top and eyeliner on the bottom. It fits together. And it comes with a nice brush. It comes in black and brown. They give you one of each. So let me hurry up and do these eyebrows. I have to look at this. Am I gonna make the time? Yeah. Without looking like a clown. Uh-oh. I knew I shouldn't have used black on my brows because they look harsh. Right now I'm feeling crazy, so I know how I look. Lord have mercy. That look crazy. That's why I don't wear black eyebrows. Look at that. Okay. I'm gonna fix them now. I'm gonna do my eyeliner with the other side of the brush. That's the fountain y'all hear. Walter is getting some water. I didn't put on no eyeshadow. Okay, let me do this. I'm using this today, this little bitty Almay eyeshadow. I'll put the light up under here. I'll put it on my whole eyelid. Uh-oh. It fell on the floor. Best I can do. I'm using this color on the lid. And I'm using the dark color right here and right here. And I will be blending this. Okay, that's good. Blending this out. Oh, these brows is crazy. This is as good as she gets. Let me get this liner brush that fell. Okay, now I can line my eyes. I'm rushing. I'm looking crazier and crazier by the second. Okay, let me get this off of here. Close this stuff up so it don't dry out. I need some blush. Got to have a blush. I need color on my face. I'm gonna fix the eyebrows. I need some eyelashes. So I use mascara. I ain't trying to put on no fake lashes. I'm using the Hard Candy Dare to Extend mascara. That's good. I'm in a hurry. What else I need? So with these, how much time I got? Ooh, maybe 2. Is that 2 minutes? Tone down these eyebrows. This is concealer. Okay. It's still ticking though. I'm almost through, y'all, so that counts for something. Okay. Now I'm going to... Oh, this is the soft Black Radiant Soft Focus finishing powder. You can buy this from Walmart or Amazon. Okay, let me put this. I'm gonna tone this lipstick down too. Look, cool. Look like whatever happened to Baby Jane. You know, when she had that makeup on. Okay. I need a darker lipstick. Then I'll be through. But I don't call myself today as cute as I could be. Okay. I don't need nothing. So it took me maybe 12 minutes. I think I look okay with the exception of the eyebrows. Okay. Oh, 12 minutes, 42 seconds. Okay, I want to thank you all for watching. I almost beat the clock. Maybe I'll do better next time. This is my finished face. So I don't have to take all day like I sometimes do doing my makeup. So thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. Okay. Bye. Let me do a cute look. I look like I'm sick. Let me smile. Let me stop clowning. Okay. Bye for real now.